I got your meal prep covered for lunch this week with this super easy diabetic recipe. We can't have a recipe without ingredients, and these are so simple, y'all. We first start off with the winner, as always in this kitchen, which is our Mission Carb Balance wraps. You see, they're a huge amount of fiber. Fiber is amazing for our diabetics. I love to use Sargento cheese. Me personally, I love the flavor. We have our rotisserie chicken. Now, sometimes y'all are gonna fuss me. Sometimes y'all don't. Of course, you can get the chicken, cook it yourself, chop it up. That is A-okay. I have our tomatoes. And then, of course, that avocado. Now, remember, we are making this recipe for the entire week. So I want to friendly remind you all that we are going to cook 4 to 5 of these, depending on the time of your work week. And I have 2 tomatoes here. I have 2 Roma tomatoes. You may consider getting 1 large tomato, 3 Roma tomatoes, just depending on how many of these you make. In my personal experience, these will last packaged properly, so like in your Ziploc bag or in your meal prep container, for 4 to 5 days. I wouldn't make 10. I wouldn't make a whole month's worth. Love tomatoes. They are very low in calories. They are absolutely wonderful for diabetics. If you don't like tomatoes, could you leave them out? Of course you can. I'm then going to take our avocado and slice it. Now remember, we're cooking this because I know some of y'all are going to be like, ew, the avocado is going to get brown. Well, since we're cooking it, we really are not going to have that problem. But if that makes you nervous, if that just kind of creeps you out a little bit, absolutely, you could buy 2 avocados. You could bring your knife with you to work. You can cut half of it and have it with your lunch. Avocados, we love them. They are a wonderful source of those omega-3 fats. They're actually a great source of fiber. A lot of people don't realize that. We are going to go ahead and layer our wraps. Now, you see I have the Mission Carb wrap. They are loaded with fiber. You can use other wraps. One of my favorite new ones is from Aldi. It is their brand. You could use the Kroger brand, the Walmart brand. Gang, compare the labels. My goal is to always have your fiber above 5. From here, we layer the cheese. We're going to layer our chicken, tomato, and avocado. Do you have to layer it in this method? Absolutely not. I want to encourage you all to add your own spice and flavor to this. When you fold it over, we're going to spray our pan with our nonstick cooking spray, and we're going to cook these on medium heat for about 1 minute and 30 seconds to about 2 minutes. And then, of course, you're going to give it a nice flip. Now, one of the things I want to tell you all, kind of going back to this, if you prefer turkey, please use turkey. Just look at the labels and make sure you're using everything has sugar under 5, and I love to see that fiber above 5 grams of fiber. Hey, my name is Dietitian Shelly. I am the author of the Skinny Louisiana Cookbook series. There's 2 of them. If you haven't realized already, I am from the great state of Louisiana. My books focus on skinnying down your favorite Louisiana recipes. This channel works on a variety of recipes and tips to lower your blood sugar, help you lose weight, balance your hormones. If that's you, I would love to have you subscribe. And hey, while you're at it, go ahead and share the video. Now to this, gang, I have a ton of salad recipes on this channel. I'm going to link one below. You have your wrap, you have your salad, you could throw in a half cup of berries with this. You have your complete lunch meal for the week. Gang, do this now. This is so easy. It's not wild and crazy. It is the perfect lunch. Make 5 of them. Your lunch is done for the week. I'm Dietitian Shelly. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.